Tellico Village Network and the Tellico Village Birding Club presents Birds of Tellico Village, Episode 1. The Birds of Tellico Village series is designed to provide beginning birders and residents who have moved to the village from other parts of the country an overview of the bird species commonly found in the village. In this episode, we will look at the Carolina wren, Carolina chickadee, eastern bluebird, northern cardinal, blue jay, and northern mockingbird. All 6 birds are year-round residents and among the birds most commonly seen in the village. The Carolina wren is a large wren, almost the size of a sparrow with a white eyebrow. Note the tail, which is often cocked upward, and the slender, down-curved bill of this chunky little bird. Its main chant of tea-kettle, tea-kettle, tea-kettle is a frequently heard bird call in the village. The Carolina chickadee is a familiar, energetic, little black, white, and gray bird. Carolina chickadees are similar to black-capped chickadees, with the 2 species differentiated by range and song. Carolina chickadees are residents of the southern U.S., while black-capped chickadees are found in the northern U.S. and Canada. Carolina chickadees sing a song consisting of 4 notes, while black-capped chickadees sing a song with only 2 notes. The eastern bluebird male is a brilliant bluebird with a rusty red breast, while females are duller. The numerous bluebird nest boxes you see in the village are maintained by both residents and the Lakeview chapter of the Tennessee Bluebird Society. Northern cardinals are a backyard favorite. Male cardinals are bright red with a pointed crest and a black patch near their heavy orange bill. Females are brown with some reddish tones and also have an orange bill. Cardinals vigorously defend their territories during the breeding season and are frequently seen going after their own reflection in mirrors and windows. Noisy and gregarious, most people can identify this larger blue, white, and black bird with a crest. Blue jays have a variety of calls and occasionally mimic hawks and other birds. Another familiar species and backyard favorite, northern mockingbirds are best known for their rambling songs, which mimic other bird species. They are often recognized by the white patches on their wings, which in flight become large white flashes. Birds of Tellico Village was presented by Tellico Village Network and the Tellico Village Birding Club. Look for additional episodes on Tellico Village Network. For more information on the Tellico Village Birding Club, visit the club's website at tvbirdingclub.org.